In the product catalog, you can perform operations such as creating, viewing, copying, and disabling travel products. You can also choose by yourself where to display the created travel products. Use them as needed for widget B2C, distributor B2B, and booster B2B. Let's first create travel products. You need to go through 3 steps in total. They are editing basic info, editing options setup, and setting the sale price. The first step is to fill in basic info. Enter the product catalog page and click the New Product button. Note that the category selection will not support modification once it's made. The name refers to the display name with the first priority for the travel product. If the name is filled in with local languages, such as Chinese or Thai, it is recommended to fill in the English name for the travel product in the English name field. It is recommended that the service provider should fill in the final service provider of the product, such as the name of the scenic area. The destination selected will be used for the front-end classification display. The description language is recommended to be in English. Front-end display will affect the display range of the travel product. Hot sale tag classification tags can be used for front-end filtering. Meanwhile, the more tags there are, the higher the travel product will be displayed. Feature intro, full description, etc. can be filled in as required in text form. The recommended aspect ratio of the main product photos is 16:9. After filling in, click the Save and Continue button. Let's first take a look at the page where a travel product is displayed on the widget front end. The top part shows the main picture of the product. Then comes the feature intro, purchase options, SKU, and information such as product introduction. The second step, edit option setup. Set each purchase option SKU under the spool of the travel product. Click the Create button. Enter this page after clicking. On the Create, Edit Option SKU page, fill in the basic info of the option school. The product code can be left blank, and the system will generate it automatically at this time. The category selection will not support modification after the selection. The billing type can be selected as charging per person or charging by unit. It will not support modification after the selection. For the audience segmentation, it can be sorted by age or by height. The destination needs to be the same as the SPU product. Fill in the option school product name. It is recommended to fill in the order name in English. The activity start time will affect whether the product meets the refund and modification policy. The refund and modification policy and the refund or modify before should be selected according to the actual business. This option will affect whether agents or direct customers are allowed to initiate refund and modification applications. The product tips is used for the display of the voucher. Assembly point are optional fields, which are only used for internal viewing and will not be displayed externally. The booking time limit restricts the earliest time when agents or direct customers can place orders. Collect info will be collected only one time in each order. Collect info by POX will be collected as many times as the number of copies purchased in each order. If the product needs related edition product, click the Related Edition tab to enter this page. Click the New Editions button to create new edition product. The edition product supports repeated use. You can click the Add More button to make the association. The edition product needs to be purchased with the main product. Only one order will be generated. The supplier of both main product and edition product needs to be the same. You can set order limit policy on edition product. You can choose independent or dependent. Let's take a look at the effect when the edition product's limit policy is independent of the main product. For example, when booking a one-day luxury yacht tour for 2 adults, you can book 1 luggage fee. The effect when the edition product is dependent on the main product. For example, when booking a one-day luxury yacht tour for 2 adults, you must book to pick-up and drop-off services. After the Related Edition tab, we will set the inventory. Click the Inventory Settings tab to enter this page. Turn on the inventory switch. Select inventory mode. It is recommended to use the whitelist. That is, only the dates with inventory can be purchased. The blacklist is the opposite. Only the dates set as unavailable for purchase cannot be purchased. Initialize the available dates for sale. The longest support is to initialize the inventory for the next 6 months. Set the inventory quantity. Click Enable Inventory. The inventory can be adjusted by clicking the Edit Inventory button. If the product needs to be automatically confirmed when there is inventory, click the Enable Automatic Confirmation button at the bottom right corner. Select the automatic confirmation with a time limit. If you hope that all orders received on the activity date can be automatically confirmed, Then set the automatic confirmation before 23:55 on the day -1 of the activity date. After setting the inventory, we have completed all the settings for an option school. Let's go back to the page of the product spiel to continue the next step. The third step, set the sales price. The B2C quotation for widget is set on this page. If you need to set the to-be agent quotation, you can go to the agent list page to set it. Click the Change Price button, modify the price, and then save it. You can also check the corresponding products. Click Badge action to perform badge operations on prices and make products available or disable. Congratulations on completing the product creation after finishing the above 3 steps.